To start multi-streaming in OBS, you'll first need to download the rtmp plugin from GitHub. Go to the GitHub page for the OBS multi-rtmp plugin and find the version that matches your operating system. Download the appropriate installer for your OS. Once downloaded, follow the installation instructions to add the plugin to your OBS setup. After installation, you should be able to configure multiple rtmp outputs in OBS to stream to various platforms simultaneously. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, feel free to comment below.